pop out just want to fall out. So honestly, a win is a win. A win is a win. Give the girls very much mini haul but variety, you know what I mean? It's something about denim. These frames right here really just give me that, girl, this is so good. Like, this is just too good. Really just take your time to just get into it. Oh, it feels good to be back. Oh girl, long time no see. What's up YouTube? Welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Keandraahzhane, and in today's video I'm coming to y'all with a luxe haul. Girl, it's been a minute. Listen, the enemy been working, but my God, he been working even harder. He gonna work even harder every time. So today I'm coming to y'all with the haul. I have 3 items to share with y'all. We're gonna jump straight into it. We're not wasting any time. So the first item is an accessory. Oh, it feels good to be back. It feels good to be back on YouTube in front of the camera now. Hold on. The first item is an accessory. I think these are just the cutest. Like, y'all know. These frames right here really just give me that girl, just that girl vibes. Like, I literally have these pinned in one of my Pinterest boards, like right now as we speak. They just give me that girl type of vibe, type of frame. I absolutely love them. Let me take this little sticky off. Girl, I do not do all that unboxing no more. Like, I done got real, let's just say my strategy for my videos changed a lot over time. But these are so stinking cute. This is like what the inside looks like. I feel far away from y'all, girl. Like, I feel like I'm stretching for dear life to show y'all. But come on, like, now granted, can I see myself out of these? Can I see period? No, but that's what contacts are for, and maybe one day God will give me the strength to go purchase some. But until then, your girl's still gonna be buying glasses like she could wear them. I can't, y'all. I have so many glasses that I literally don't wear because I can't see out of them. If you ain't new to this channel, when you true to this channel, then you already know that. But anywho, these are the Sunnies. I think they're so cute, and they just give, like, it's nothing like a black frame. Whether it has my prescription in it or not, it's the fact that the hair keeps getting stuck to the lip gloss from me. But yeah, these are it, y'all. They're so freaking cute. I'm so happy to finally have my hands on these. Of course, I just got my makeup on them. But yes, these are the first item, y'all. Super duper cute. Make sure y'all follow my TikTok as well, because I do similar content that's on this channel over there. And I ain't gonna lie, y'all, I've been way more active on TikTok. Way more active. Your girl fell in love with short form content. What can I say? But anywho, I don't have much to say about them other than they're freaking bomb, and I love them. I love them. 10 out of 10, 20 out of 10, 50 out of 10 recommend. These are so bomb, y'all, and I just feel like they just give the vibe that we're going for, and I'm here for it. Got my little cleaning cloth up in here, little case. Like, what more is there to say? You know what I mean? Love these. 10 out of 10. Of course, I had to get an accessory. Like, when you got 3 options and you want a decent haul, I feel like I have to space it out a little bit, you know? Give the girls very much mini haul but variety, you know what I mean? So anywho, next we got some slides. I'm super excited about these. I love me a good dad sandal. Like, ever since I got my my Chanel, like, black ones, I've just been obsessed with the style of them. So that's what these are. They're black and gold. I just think these are so cute. And it's like, granted, we're entering fall, because fall, from when I'm filming this video, fall is like in 2 more days, technically, like the first official day of fall. And it's really crazy because I feel like September just, it blew past. It don't make no sense at all to me how, like, we're about to be done with September. But anywho, these are the sandals. Aren't they just the freaking cutest? I think these are so stinking cute, y'all. Get into it. Really just take your time to just get into it. These are so cute, and I love them because they're black and gold. I have a black and gold, like, dad style sandal, because the ones I have are black and silver. So yeah, I just really love the style of these. I could have sworn maybe I did just get the ones where you just kind of step your foot in, because they also do make the ones that have another strap in the back, but I most likely did pick these. I'm pretty sure they have they have both though. So yeah, this is the bottoms of the sandal. I got them in a size 40, which should be a US size 9. I always get 39 and 40 mixed up with the European sizes because depending on where you go, sometimes that's an 8, sometimes it's a 9. I don't know, girl, but I got these in a size 40 and they fit perfectly. And I am typically like an 8.5, 9. So yeah, y'all, these are them. I'm obsessed with them. They look so cute on the feet, especially with a white toe. Girl, you can never go wrong with a white toe. But yeah, I'm gonna have to like hurry up and wear these and like break them in a little bit before I enter my like full-blown UGG season. But yeah, this collab was definitely supposed to happen a little bit earlier, hence why I picked like a summery type of shoe. But I feel like they can still pass for early fall. So honestly, a win is a win. A win is a win, you know what I mean? But yeah, love that they have the double strap action, and of course you can adjust it. Like, of course you can adjust them. And yeah, I'm in love. I'm in love. It's the black for me. Honestly, black is my favorite color to wear. Like, obviously, like, I just love me some black. I don't know, girl. Now the last item is a tote bag. We cannot do a mini haul and not feature a bag, you know what I mean? Y'all pray for me. Pray for me and pray for my channel. That's all I'm gonna say, because honestly, your girl was losing hope. The enemy thought he was doing something. I was losing hope, girl. I'm gonna be real. I just been vibing on TikTok because I just be vibing over there. But, no, as a whole, I love YouTube, y'all. It was just these specific videos, and it's like, me be discouraged to do a haul? That's crazy. That's spiritual warfare, because that don't even make sense. Girl, I love hauls, I love fashion, and I've literally been doing this like before it was really like blowing up. I know we was putting these type of hauls out. But anywho, girl, I about just want to fall out over this tote, y'all. This tote, I didn't realize how big it was actually gonna be in person, but this tote is gorgeous. This tote is something about denim. It was trending all summer, but I feel like it's also gonna be trending in the fall. It's just something about denim, y'all. So of course I picked out this denim tote bag that I'm literally obsessed with. This is her, y'all. If y'all know, I also have the same exact bag in black and white, and then I have a, like, I think it's like a medium leather brown version of this bag as well, and I'm obsessed with it. I love it. You can fit so much stuff in here, like, it's not even funny. This could be a school bag. I love everything about it. I love everything about this bag. It literally feels like a pair of my favorite jeans from American Eagle in a bag. Like, that's what I'm getting out of this. I love me some American Eagle jeans. But anyway, y'all, talk about spacious. I can fit my life in here. I can fit Bella in here. Heck, I might even fit in here. This bag is huge, and I love that for us because that means you can get the most out of it. I feel like this will come in handy when I'm in college, girl. Your girl's gonna be in college. But anywho, this is gonna come definitely in handy. I could see it being a really good college, like, school bag. Like I said, super cute. I feel like I'm already, like, the outfit ideas are already brewing. Like, the way that I'm gonna style this bag, the looks are already brewing in my head. That is how excited I am about it. Yeah, she's pretty big. Like, this is my face next to the bag. She's not, yeah, one of them. This is a really nice size tote bag, y'all. Like, the big body, the big one. But yeah, like, I love how it looks on the inside. It's just like this navy, like, literally the whole bag feels like a pair of jeans. Like I said, a pair of good jeans, that is. And then of course it has the inside flap. I'm obsessed with the different shades of denim. Like, I love the medium wash, the light wash. Y'all, this bag is gorgeous. Like, need I say more? This is gorgeous. My arm's about to fall off. I'm trying to hold it up in a frame. But y'all, like, I'm gonna just get up close for y'all. She's gorgeous. Like, you're gorgeous. I'm literally obsessed. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love, first of all, overall, I love everything. This haul is definitely giving 50 out of 10. I recommend every item. This is so good. Like, this is just too good. Please, like, please. Now, when I style her, I gotta style her. I gotta come out. I'm so grateful that I was sent all these beautiful items. Y'all know I love me a good haul. So please make sure y'all tune and tap into my Instagram. I will also have my beacons, I think that's how you say it, like link in the description for y'all as well. If you're interested in anything that you saw, if you have any questions or anything like that, feel free to DM me on Instagram, DM me on TikTok. Girl, you can direct message me anywhere and I'll answer. Yeah, make sure y'all follow me on my TikTok and Instagram as well. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you did enjoy this video. I cannot wait to get back to doing my hauls. Tap in and tap into my short form content, y'all. I'm telling y'all, on TikTok I'm active real bad. I'm making my way to get back like that on YouTube. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.